Once upon a time, a huge ship was sailing across the vast sea. Many passengers, workers, and crew members were on board, and even the owner of the ship was traveling with them. Everything was going smoothly until suddenly, right in the middle of the ocean, the ship came to a complete stop. The engine had shut down completely. Panic spread everywhere. The workers and engineers rushed to check the engine. They opened every part, inspected every wire, and examined every machine inside the ship. They tried their best to understand what had gone wrong, but no one could figure it out. Hours passed, then the whole day passed. Still, there was no solution. The owner of the ship became deeply worried. Since they were stranded in the middle of the sea, help could not come quickly. The nearest island was far away, and calling an expert would take at least 4 to 5 days. With no other option, the ship remained stranded there, and everyone waited. After 4 long days, an old man who was around 70 years old finally arrived in a small boat. He had been sent as an engine expert. But when the engineers and workers saw him, they felt disappointed. They looked at each other and thought, what can this one old man do? How can he solve the problem alone? We were expecting a whole team of experts. Even the ship owner and his team looked uncertain. But the old man said nothing. Without wasting any time, he quietly walked into the engine room. Everyone watched him closely. He carefully examined the engine from top to bottom. He listened to the sounds, checked every corner, and observed everything with deep attention. After some time, he opened his bag, took out a small hammer, and gave one gentle tap on a specific part of the engine. And that was it. The moment he did it, the engine started again. It seemed as if that gentle tap had awakened a stuck gear wheel and brought everything back to life. The ship rode back into action. Everyone standing there was shocked. For 4 to 5 days, they had struggled to fix the ship, but they all had failed. And this old man came, tapped once with a tiny hammer, and solved everything in just a few minutes. Soon, the ship safely continued its journey and successfully reached its destination. The owner, who had seen everything with his own eyes, walked up to the old man and asked respectfully, "Sir, how much should I pay you for your work?" The old man calmly replied, 1 lakh rupees. Hearing this, the owner was surprised. 1 lakh rupees for just one small hammer hit. The old man smiled and said, "No, 1000 rupees for hitting with the hammer, but 99,000 rupees for knowing where to hit and how hard to hit." Listening to this, the owner immediately understood the value of true skill. He appreciated the old man's wisdom and gladly paid him his full fee. If we see in our life, we will find that success does not come from hard work alone. It comes from the right skills and smart work. Many people spend years working day and night, but without learning the right skills, their efforts often bring only small results. On the other hand, a skilled person can solve big problems in minutes because they know exactly what to do, when to do, and how to do it. The old man was not paid for one hammer strike. He was paid for his years of learning, practice, experience, and for knowing exactly where and how to act. This is exactly how life works. A doctor becomes successful because of medical skill. An engineer grows because of technical skill. A teacher is respected because of teaching skill. A singer, writer, designer, businessman, or computer expert rises in life because they have learned and become excellent in their field. Success does not come only to the busiest people. It comes to those who keep learning, improving, and becoming experts. So, instead of only working hard, focus on learning. Improve yourself every day. Build a skill that makes you valuable. Become so good in your field that people trust your expertise. Remember, your skill is your true wealth. Your knowledge is your real power. And the more you improve yourself today, the brighter and more successful your tomorrow will be.